Hey there, welcome to Browser How. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear the browser data in Edge app on iPhone. Launch the Edge app, tap on these three bar options, select the settings, and within the settings you have this privacy and security. Select that, and at the top you would be able to see this clear browsing data option. Choose that, and here you have this different options or the data that has been stored. So you can choose the time range like all time or 4 weeks or whatever the time range you want, and then you can choose this options: browsing history, cookies and other data, and cache images and files. These are the three options that you can choose, and the passwords and autofills is optional, but if you want you can choose that as well. And then based on your selections you can tap on this clear now command and confirm. Once it is done, you would be able to see all the cookie, cache and browsing history has been cleared. So in this way you can clear the browsing data from Edge app on iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.